Now, so far we have learned verbs and their conjugation in the present tense. Now we are going to learn another tense, the futur proche. Futur proche, it means the immediate future. So, how do we write the verbs in their immediate future? It is just one rule, very simple. So, you write the futur proche, you have to write aller in the present. So, we all know the aller conjugation in the present tense. So, you have to write the aller conjugation plus the infinitive. So, just one simple rule. You have to write the aller conjugation in the present tense plus the infinitive. So, in order to learn this, first let us refresh our memory of the aller conjugation. So, what does aller mean? It means to go. Do you remember the conjugation? Kindly refer to your notes. You would have written it. For je, it is je vais. Tu vas, il va, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So, this is the aller conjugation in the present. So, if you are asked to write the futur proche, you would write the appropriate aller conjugation in the present followed by the infinitive of the verb in the sentence. For example, let us take the sentence, il prepare le dîner. He prepares dinner. So the meaning of the sentence is he prepares dinner. Il prepare le dîner. Now this is in the present tense. He prepares. How would you write it in the immediate future? Try saying it in English. He is going to prepare dinner. That's how you would say it in English. He is going to prepare dinner. So, what is the verb here? We are going to insert going, that is aller. Now, what is the subject pronoun in this sentence? It is il. So, il is the subject pronoun. Now, for il, what was the aller conjugation? It was il va. So, we have to first read the sentence, see which is the subject pronoun, write the aller conjugation for that, followed by infinitive. So, what is the verb here? Prepare. Prepare. Now, what is the infinitive form of prepare? It is an er verb. So, prepare. This is the infinitive form. So, il va préparer le dîner. So, have you understood? What did we do? We first read the sentence. We spotted the subject pronoun. We wrote the appropriate aller conjugation followed by the infinitive of the verb. So, the verb here is préparer. So, il va préparer le dîner. He is going to prepare dinner. So, it is a very simple concept.